In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple settings you can change on your laptop that can significantly reduce overheating and make your system run cooler and quieter. Alright, so let's start with the first settings. Open your control panel. Now go to your search menu and search for control panel. Click on it. Now if you are in the control panel, go to power options. But if you cannot find it here, just click on search control panel and type power options. These are power options. Now from this menu, you'll probably see the balanced power plan selected. So you click on change plan settings and then click on change advanced power settings. A new window is going to appear. Scroll down until you see processor power management and then expand it. Click on the plus icon to expand it. Now the next thing for you to do is to click on maximum processor state. So you click on maximum processor state. By default, this is usually set to 100%. Now here is the trick. Change it from 100 to 99%. It may look like a tiny change, but this prevents your CPU from constantly going into turbo mode, which generates a lot of heat. So let's click on it and then change it to 99%. 99. Once you are done, click on apply and click on OK. So let's check our advanced power settings again. Scroll down, processor management, and then maximum processor state. Now as you can see, it's 99%. That means our changes have been effected. So just click on OK to close this page. Now we are going to be going into the next step, which is disable unnecessary startup apps. So the second thing we are going to do is to check our startup programs. So press your control button plus your shift button and escape button all at once to open your task manager. Now from here, you go to startup apps. Click on startup apps. From this page, you'll see a list of applications that start automatically when your computer boots. Now if you see a list of applications, you don't really need to be starting immediately on your laptop. You just simply disable them. Now why this helps is that the more programs running in the background, the harder your processor works and the more heat your laptop produces. Now for example, check AnyDesk and see the status is enabled. That means it is set to launch immediately you boot your laptop, although the startup impact is not measured. For example, this Adobe Collab Sync, the status is enabled, the startup impact is high. That means it has a high startup impact. So if it's not something you really need, just right click on it and click on disable. Now as you can see, the startup status is set to disabled. So you can do that for other applications. Now just so you know, don't go and disable any applications or programs you are not sure of. Programs like, for example, Intel High Graphics Command, Security Health, Sys3, and anything that is related to Windows, just leave it as it is. Only disable applications you probably install yourself, or applications you know are external applications you installed yourself. You understand? So that's that for that. Now if your laptop is still running hot after all these changes we've made, consider using an external laptop cooling pad. Alright, or you take your laptop to your engineer or a technician to help you apply thermal paste on your processor. So thank you for watching, guys. If this video helped you reduce your laptop temperature, hit the like button so YouTube can show it to more people having the same problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.